Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix App Store requires password when downloading apps. So guys, when you want to download any kind of app in App Store and App Store requires password, then I'll help you how to turn off this password. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys, after this you need to open your Apple ID name. So guys, you need to click on this section, and guys, after this simply you need to click on media and purchases. So guys, after this you need to click on password settings, and guys, after this make sure that it is clicked on require after 15 minutes, and guys, here is the option of free downloads require password. So guys, if it is turned on, then guys you need to turn off this, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the second method is simply you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on screen time, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down, and guys, here is the option of content and privacy restrictions. So guys, you need to click on it, and here is the option of iTunes and App Store purchases. And guys, after this it is always selected. If it is select always require, then guys you need to select don't require. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed, and your Apple ID password will be turned off when you want to download any kind of app in App Store. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.